The idea for this topic came from two books, The Nature Fix by Florence Williams and The Eden Alternative by William Thomas. As I conducted a review of the literature, I found little research has looked at how plants and other nature-based media could be used in rehabilitation. This is a gap in the literature because my review suggested incorporating nature-based media has a lot of potential. My literature review demonstrated that mood is a significant predictor of a person's self-efficacy, and interaction with nature, such as in garden therapy, generally improves positive mood. This led to my hypothesis that a therapeutic activity involving nature-based media would improve mood, leading to a higher perceived self-efficacy and better compliance to therapeutic regimen over some traditional therapeutic media. My methodology included 30 subjects over the age of 50 recruited from 2 daytime senior centers. They were randomly split into 3 different groups using a between subjects design. This was done in order to compare 2 nature-based media with 1 more traditional media in an intervention-like activity. All activities were done for 5 minutes while seated at a table. Group A watered potted plants. Group B looked through a large picture book with nature scenery. And Group C sorted dark beans from light ones. Subjects' mood was measured before and after the activity using a survey. And here you can see the results. Group A, the plant watering activity, showed the least change in mood overall, but note that no subjects reported a decrease in mood and a few reported an increase. Group B, the nature picture viewing activity, showed a higher tendency to decrease mood than to increase it, but only slightly. And Group C, the bean sorting activity, either showed a decrease in mood or no change, save for 1 subject who had a 1-point increase in their mood. Subjects also rated the likelihood that they would be compliant with a home exercise program involving their respective activity daily. All 3 groups showed about equal likeliness to be compliant to such a home exercise program, with Group A, about 70% of subjects represented by the inner ring, Group B, about 70% represented by the middle ring, and Group C, 80% likely represented by the outer ring. What was interesting were the reasons given for the likeliness rating. Group A and B, if you look in the other figure, found their activities more enjoyable than the subjects in Group C, but nearly half of Group C subjects reported that they would comply with the activity only if it was recommended by a healthcare professional as beneficial. So the clinical bottom line, few subjects saw the intrinsic value of the traditional therapeutic activity of sorting beans, and many indicated they would only engage in it if they were told it was helpful by a healthcare professional. 2, nature-based media that involves plant-like or live plants were least likely to decrease mood and to therefore negatively impact self-efficacy. And 3, where patients have any interest in such activities as plant tending or gardening, the therapist ought to seek to include these within the home exercise program and general treatment plan where practical. Thank you.